YRE-BİLGEKAÞAN, who is a zero-waste expert and environmental engineer. Welcome!
Hi girls, I hope you're well. I asked you to bring your school bag for our chat today.
Yes, we did. We're just wondering why you asked us to bring our school bags.
But before the bags, I want to share some information with you. So, ecological restoration is great at improving and protecting damaged ecosystems, which makes both ecosystems and communities more resilient to climate change. The zero waste approach is really important to ecological restoration because it gets rid of all the plastic and chemical pollution in ecosystems, which is a key part of creating a sustainable future. Now, I want you to get everything out of your bags and put on the table. Besides books, what else is there?
So we have a plastic water bottle,
A deodorant,
a pencil case,
a chewing gum,
an apple,
a medicine box,
wet wipes,
a coffee, and an oven.
Thanks. I think what I see is something that almost every student carries with them every day. What if I told you that you are actually waste generators and some of the things you bring will go on adventure to the other countries, maybe thousands of kilometers away?
To be honest, it's actually pretty surprising that the plastic bottle I bring from my home will actually see countries that I've never seen.
So, what do you think? Do we sort these wastes we create correctly in our schools? Or what can we do to prevent the creation of waste?
When I run out of plastic water bottle, I usually throw it into a plastic recycling bin.
That's right. But let me add something else. It's much more important to plastic bottles being used in the first place than to separate them correctly. First things first, we need to stop waste from forming. If we can't stop it, we have to make sure we sort it correctly. For example, when you finish a tube of toothpaste, it becomes plastic waste. If it's not recycled, it might even be sent a landfill in another country, polluting their land. To have a much more sustainable student bag, you can make your own toothpaste at home in just 5 minutes and store it in a glass jar, creating zero waste. Instead of coffee in a metal package, I suggest making your own coffee at home and bringing it in a thermos. And when you have finished with a plastic water bottle, make sure you separate it correctly for recycling. Or even better, get a reusable water bottle. That way we can create zero waste when it comes to water and coffee. Batteries should never be thrown in the trash. They are hazardous waste and must be separated properly. Empty deodorant cans are pressurized containers and can be explosive. So, they should also be disposed as a hazardous materials. And if it was synthetic paint instead of water-based, it would be classified as contaminated packaging waste and considered hazardous. Wet pipes are usually not recyclable, so I recommend avoiding them and using dissolvable tissues instead. If the medicines in our bags have expired, we shoot them to a pharmacy or healthcare facility rather than throwing them into the trash. Also, chewing gum takes 5 years to decompose in nature, which is a shame. But there are more organic alternatives. So, do you have any questions?
I genuinely had no idea that I'm a real waste production factory. I'll go through everything in my bag again. Thank you so much. It was a very effective conversation.
Thank you. Remember that knowledge is power, especially when you share it. So, all of this is really important for ecological restoration. Reduce first, then separate. See you soon.
Thank you.
See you.